Hello and welcome to the Savera. This is Dinkle before you with latest update of the hour. Now, in a significant development in the legal proceedings, the Delhi High Court has today rejected the PIL seeking removal of Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal from his position following his arrest by the ED in the infamous excise policy. Now, the bench led by Acting Chief Justice Manmohan refrained from delving into the merits of the case, citing that it is beyond the purview of jurisdiction. The Delhi High Court today dismissed a PIL seeking the removal of AAP leader Arvind Kejriwal from the post of Chief Minister following his arrest in the excise policy linked money laundering case. A bench headed by Acting Chief Justice Manmohan refused to comment on the merits of the issue, saying the same fell outside the scope of judicial interference. It is for the other wings of the government to examine in accordance with the law, the bench, also comprising of Justice Manmeet P.S. Arora, said. During the hearing, the court asked petitioner Sujit Singh Yadav's counsel to show the legal bar on the continuation of Arvind Kejriwal as the chief minister. There may be practical difficulties, but that is something else. What is the legal bar? The court asked the Aam Aadmi Party national convener, who was arrested on March 21st and subsequently remanded to the Enforcement Directorate custody till March 28 by a Delhi court, faces allegations of direct involvement in a conspiracy related to the formulation of excise policy favouring specific individuals. This comes a day after CM's wife Sunita said that on Wednesday, her husband will tell the court on March 28 where the money from the so-called excise policy had ended up. Quoting her husband, Sunita said that ED had also far conducted more than 250 raids, including at the house of Manish Sisodia, Satendra Jain and Sanjay Singh in the last 2 years, but could not recover a single penny. Only Rs 73,000 were found in the raid at our place. So where is the money from this so-called liquor scam going to? Sunita said in her second digital address. Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal's wife, Sunita Kejriwal, said on Wednesday that her husband would tell the court on March 28 where the money from the so-called excise policy had ended up. In a digital press briefing, Sunita Kejriwal said that she met AAP national convener, who is in the custody of Enforcement Directorate, on Tuesday evening, where he told her about the investigation into so-called liquor scam. While Sisodia and Singh are currently lodged in Tihar in the excise policy case, Jain is in jail in a separate money laundering case. Kejriwal was arrested by ED in an excise policy-linked money laundering case. The CM's wife also alleged that central government had registered a case against the Delhi CM for sending a message from ED custody to Minister Atishi 2 days ago. Tell me, did he do anything wrong? People's problems must be solved. Do these people want people to continue struggling with their problems? Arvind ji is very pained by this, said Sunita in her address. Well, Kejriwal's wife claimed that Arvind Kejriwal was not in good health in ED custody, but his thoughts were still with the people of Delhi. He has diabetes and his sugar levels are not very well. But the determination is strong. Arvind Kejriwal ji is a very honest, patriotic, fearless and courageous person. Pray for his long life, health and success, she said in her digital address. That's all for now. For more updates, stay tuned to the Savera.